friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a twisted glisten from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with our left eye, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's move in towards the middle now, replicating that. And then again one more time as we move directly in towards the center. Now let's move up, and on the right hand side we're going to curve this line around and then up. Let's close off the bottom of the face now, so we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on the right hand side, closing off our circle, we're going to replicate that, bringing this all the way around and then blending that together on the bottom. Let's close off the rest of the head now. So starting on the left hand side, we're going to continue to arch this line all the way around and then bringing that in towards the center, creating a spiral. Let's close off the outside of the head now. So moving over on the left, we're going to create another circle, curving this around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on the top again, just going to arch this line around, connecting that together in the center. On the top for the eyebrow, we're going to arch this line around and then up. Now let's draw on the right hand side. So we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern, bringing this diagonal line in. I'm going to bring this back out towards our eye and then back down. Now from that point, bringing this diagonal line in towards the bottom. From here, bringing this back up and then across. Let's move over on the right, bringing this diagonal line in. From that point, bringing this up towards the top right. And then again, we're going to bring this line in and then back out on the side. We're going to draw in a drip pattern underneath the eye now. So we're going to curve this line around, up, back down, and then in. And then again, bringing this up, down, and back across on the right. Let's draw on the torso. So on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. And then we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over on the right. Let's close off the bottom of the torso now, leave a gap, drawing in a nice big arch line. And then again, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over on the right. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in two straight lines that come up towards the top. Now let's draw in our arms. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. As we move underneath, we're going to bring this line down and then back up. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the wrist, curving this line around and then in. Let's move up again, drawing in another curved line, leaving a gap. And then now from here underneath, curving this line around and then in on both sides. And we're just going to leave a small gap in the center. Now for the thumb, arching this line down. And then again from that point, just curving this line around and then in on the side. Moving underneath now for the tassel, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back out. Let's replicate this on the left, and we're going to end this at the same height. From that point, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. From the center, we're going to curve this line down. And then again on the inside, just curving this line out, in, and then back up towards the top. Now let's draw on our legs. So on the inside, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come down. And then moving across, let's replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. On the inside, we're going to curve this line in, out, and down. We'll replicate this on the inside on our left leg. Let's move across on the outside now, replicating that. Let's close off the foot now. So on the top, we're going to draw on a small arch line. And then as we move down, just curving this line around and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted Glisten from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.